Did you happen to notice the Cheaters Look Up banner and your reaction to it yesterday?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Cam Chancellor's an amazing Seahawk. He has been a great part of this team. We love him in every way. He stands for exactly what we love about this game and about being a Seahawk and playing for us and all. And you know, our hearts are with him. We want to make something happen. We want him back here immediately if we can get it done.
Can't really say too much about that night. Just like to apologize again to my teammates. I already had a little personal meeting with everybody. Coach brought everybody in. They know what's going on a little bit for as me being apologetic and them having to answer questions about what I did on that night. Apologize to my family, to the Jets organization.
We're prepared to win without him, and the biggest thing is working on getting him better as a person. You know, when things like that happen, you don't try to help the guy. It's not when he's getting back on the field, it's can he get his life together.
At the end of the day, you know, I'm happy to be a Seahawk. You know, I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. You know, it's a blessing to be here on a championship type team, and you know, the goal is to win the Super Bowl this year. So Super Bowl 50 is on our mind. So.
It was imminent. It was coming the whole time, you know, and we wanted to do it. It was his turn. You know how we've done it. You guys watch this. You know, we there guys opportunities, and we try to take full advantage of nailing them when we can. It was a long process to get it done, but now that it's over, it's great. It's good for him. It's good for our club. It's good for our fans. He's worked his butt off for years with us and done a great job for us, and so we're glad to be able to get him a new contract.
I'm the best linebacker in this league, so that's my focus. Everything else will take care of itself.
We've had a lot of evaluation of him. This is where we feel like he is, and we brought him here to be our quarterback, and we feel like he's ready to take this next step. Now, we're not game ready. We're not Tennessee ready by any means at a lot of positions, but he needs to move into that role right now. And again, we all feel good about him going there.
We're going to go out there tomorrow for our first practice, and we're going to try and be the best team we can be tomorrow.
I mean, you guys have seen Coach Tice working with them out here. I mean, he's going to get after them, and they're going to be ready. You know, that's one thing that, you know, you talk about the O-line, I was like, wait, what? You know, we don't even worry about them. You know, we know they're going to be ready. Something's flying on me, man. Everyone keeps watching it, too. Man, that's a good sign then. We didn't have that last year, so maybe that's good.